Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe that is truly cheesy. It will delight your heart. These cheesy creamy chicken are incredibly soft, stuffed with a creamy filling, and topped with melted cheese. This is the perfect restaurant-style starter to make at home. Ingredients are as follows: chicken breast, cheese, fresh cream, butter, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, black pepper powder, salt, lemon juice, fresh coriander, green chilies, chili flakes. First, take your chicken breast and slice it into thin layers. Use a meat mallet or the back of a knife to flatten them slightly, so they cook quickly and are easy to roll. Now, marinate the pieces with cream, salt, green chili paste, black pepper powder, coriander. Apply the marinade on the chicken evenly and let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes so they become tender. While the chicken marinates, let's make the heart of the dish. Mix your grated cheese with the finely chopped green chilies and chili flakes. This is what makes the chicken cheesy. Heat a pan with a bit of butter. Place the chicken pieces carefully. Cook on low to medium flame for about 6 to 7 minutes, turning them until they are golden brown on all sides. And there you have it, cheesy creamy chicken. They are soft, juicy, and so cheesy, perfect for parties or a special weekend treat. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious starters. See you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking!